Hello everyone, welcome to Krotoflik, and I'm your host Chad Bridle. Today I'd like to show you a way to reduce the audio noise in your Canon DSLRs for as little as $8 with shipping up to like $26. And what we will be using today is the FiiO E3 and E5. I discovered they also came out with an E6 that looks like it might be pretty promising, probably better than these two. But that's what I have to show you, and it seems to work pretty good. And right now you're probably wondering, yeah, I hear noise right now, it doesn't sound too good. Well, that's because my shotgun microphone is actually running into my camera, and I will switch from here to the other two so you can hear the difference. And so let's get started. Well, right now we are using my shotgun microphone straight into my Canon, and I have the audio gain set to the quarter mark on the bar. So we'll just listen. Alright, and now we will try the FiiO E3. Alright, and here is the FiiO E3. My shotgun mic is running directly into it. There's no settings on the FiiO E3 to change, so it's just straight to the FiiO E3 into my camera. And I have adjusted the audio gain to a single notch on the audio bar, so it's as low as it can possibly go before it just turns off and you can't record audio. So now we will just take a listen. Yep, so that's that, and now we will proceed with the FiiO E5, which actually has some volume control. It also has a bass boost, so we'll try with bass boost on and off, and also we will try with max volume on it. Alright, and here we are using the FiiO E5. I believe it is on the just regular setting, the non-bass boost, but it doesn't say, so I'll make a note of it on the video if I am wrong. But otherwise, right now this is the FiiO E5, and it's max volume, and let's take a listen. And this car is driving by in the background, so you might pick that up. Alright, and now let's try it with the bass boost on, I think. Alright, and here's the FiiO E5 with what I believe is the bass boost on. So this is what I sound like with that setting on, and here's what it sounds like with just silence. Alright, so that's the FiiO E5 with the bass boost on. And now, just for the fun of it, I'm going to connect both the FiiO E3 and the FiiO E5 and see what it sounds like. Alright, here's the FiiO E5 running into the FiiO E3, running into my camera. So it's probably going to sound louder than just the way they were, but kind of interesting. It might give it more power, possibly. I don't know, it might just be a good way to go if you're just the two of them running in line with each other, giving a little bit more boost on your audio. It won't sound so weak. So, yep, that's the demonstration. And when I go to edit this video, I'm probably going to turn up the gain in the program, so that way you're not turning your speakers all the way up, just trying to hear it, and switch to something else and flaring. So, you should be able to hear the audio noise difference between them, and hopefully this helps you.